is Janvi and I really hope that you are at home and really safe. So the sole purpose of me making these vlogs and putting it on YouTube is just that I've always wanted to make society a better place for living for everybody, and I just hope that people get inspired by watching this and do something just like it, or maybe something even better. So today is the day that I go for a food drive for the stray animals and feed them, because people don't tend to give them much attention. So I'll keep you updated with everything that's happening, and I really hope that you watch this video till the end. So right now I'm headed towards a pet store to get a medicine for the animals that basically just clears out all the worms in the stomach, and I really hope I get that medicine, because the stray animals or any other animal tends to form these worms very frequently and it's very irritating for them. So I just hope that I get that medicine and I can feed them so that they feel better and light. Okay, so now we are going to feed the animals and we are on our way, and we have purchased 15 kgs of ghee.
Yeah.
And what else?
We have purchased even cabbages and tomatoes, so we're experimenting because we don't know. Actually, we know that they eat ghee, but we don't know whether they eat these cabbages also they eat, but not the tomatoes. So let's experiment on that, and I'm sure many people are going to join us very soon. I'm very hopeful, and I know people are conscious enough to understand that they're limitless, and for that we are sharing this video so that they can also be boundless in their nature. Thank you.
And I'm really glad that we both have the same feeling about this and the same thinking about it.
Yeah.
So yeah. So Janvi is feeding the cow, and come baby, come.
पीछे तेरे भी और
मुझे डराओ मत बेबी.
No, not hungry.
The baby cow is so cute. Come here. Come here. Mara, you should pick up the person. And Papa, go. We don't have anything left. Put your head that side. Like that. Look at it. I really like the prints he has. जल्दी फोटो निकाल लो. Boy baby. Everyone here.
Yeah, you know.
Can you please hold it? हाँ बेटा. Boss, not खाओ, भूख मटी गई. Really wants from the bag. She wants to have it from you. Sathi, so that's the bitch and that's the dog. Yeah. And she's scared of a man. Males are dominating, it's okay, bitch. You can come.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
You look so tired.
Yeah, it is not tiredness, it's contentment, it's satisfaction. Just like we feel blissed as of now.
Yeah, true. I've been waiting to do this for like a year now.
So you feel good when you see somebody. And okay, I want to tell you कि सबसे बड़ा दान होता है अन्नदान. So आप क्योंकि उस अन्न में जान है, so you are giving life to somebody, whether it is animal, some creature or human. This is the biggest gift what you can do as humans, that you are capable of feeding the needy. So go for it, yeah, and give in the best. I mean, you get this privilege, this opportunity to realize that you are able to do things which is beyond you. So why not go ahead and do it? And trust me, you'll be like blissed out. Oh wow, as if feel so joyful.
I thought you forgot only what to say.
No.
With lots of dots.
Yeah, because I feel. I mean, it is. Yeah, when you are closest to zero, that is infinite.
Oh my god, the rust! Literally rust. भाई दूर है अंदर कर. Should we give her the medicine too? Let her the dog and give the medicine. Come on, without hair on the head. Maybe end of May I just go on and one time get it out.
Okay, so it is next day in the morning and I just woke up and realized that I haven't really spoken much in any of the clips in the video and haven't really given any details I was talking about with me being me. But anyway, I got this medicine for the worms in the gut, but we really didn't give it to the animals because we wanted to consult a doctor first for the dosage, and then I have this medicine as well for the pups or the dogs who have parasitic infection. It just improves the quality of their life. But I really hope that you enjoyed the vlog, or maybe you got inspired so that you can do something better or do something just like it.